Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add a certificate to your LinkedIn profile. I was updating my LinkedIn profile recently and realized it hadn't added some of my certifications, which honestly makes a big difference when someone checks your profile. So I opened LinkedIn, tapped my profile icon, and went into my main profile page. From there, I hit the Add section button and selected Recommended, where you'll find licenses and certifications. Once I tapped that, it opened a form where I could enter all the details. I added the certificate name, the issuing organization, and the issue date. If your certificate has a credential ID or URL, it's worth adding those too because it makes your profile look more credible, kind of like proof that it's legit. I also attached a few relevant skills and even uploaded a copy of the certificate as media. After saving it, the certification appeared directly on my profile. It's a small update, but it really helps your profile stand out, especially when recruiters are scanning through quickly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.